One brand sticks out among investors who are looking for trustworthy counsel, and that name is the Motley Fool. This is because there is a proliferation of investing advice and stock-picking services. The Motley Fool has earned a reputation for providing its members with value through the stock recommendations and investing techniques that it offers. The Motley Fool is well known for its track record of discovering excellent investment possibilities. There is a great deal of anticipation surrounding the Motley Fool's Next Magnificent 7 Stocks report, which is one of the most anticipated publications from the publication. This research promises to identify the next generation of high-potential investments. Considering that it costs $999, this research is not available to many investors because of its price tag. On the other hand, the potential profits might be substantial for those who are willing to make an investment. Within the scope of this video, we will investigate what distinguishes the Motley Fool from other publications, investigate the significance of its Next Magnificent 7 Stocks report, and examine if the insights it provides are sufficient to justify the substantial price tag. The Motley Fool, a proven track record of effective investments. Following its establishment in 1993 by brothers David and Tom Gardner, the Motley Fool has become a reliable source of investing advice for individuals who are interested in making financial investments. The mission of the organization is to help the world invest better, and it works toward this objective by providing services that are based on subscriptions, instructional content, and community forums. According to the Motley Fool, one of the most important rules that should be adhered to is the necessity of buy and hold investment over the long term. When it comes to constructing a prosperous investing portfolio, the organization places a strong emphasis on the role that patience, discipline, and in-depth study play. According to the Motley Fool, investors should focus on selecting high-quality firms that have tremendous growth potential and sticking onto them for the long term rather than chasing short-term profits or following market trends. The report titled Next Magnificent 7 Stocks is titled Uncovering Hidden Gems. A study titled Next Magnificent 7 Stocks is considered to be one of the most prominent offers that the Motley Fool provides. Within the scope of this study, the group of experts employed by the organization has identified 7 stocks that, in their opinion, have the potential to generate enormous profits over the course of the next years. These stocks are chosen after going through a comprehensive research process that takes into consideration a variety of criteria, including trends in the sector, competitive positioning, financial performance, and expectations for future growth. The Next Magnificent 7 Stock study is appealing to investors because it provides them with the opportunity to acquire access to high-quality investment ideas that may not be well-known or recognized. Therefore, the report is appealing to investors. This allows subscribers to potentially find good prospects before they capture the notice of the mainstream. Is it appropriate to charge $999 for a device? Despite the fact that the guidance and suggestions offered in the Motley Fool's Next Magnificent 7 Stocks report have the potential to be beneficial, the question that remains is whether or not the price tag of $999 is really justified. For a great number of investors, this constitutes a large investment, and they could be wondering whether the prospective returns are sufficient to justify the expense. It is possible to analyze the value proposition of the report by taking into consideration the track record of the recommendations that the Motley Fool has placed in the past. The organization has a track record of successfully discovering profitable investment possibilities across a wide variety of industries. Furthermore, customers to the Motley Fool's subscription services are granted access to a plethora of instructional content, portfolio management tools, and community forums, all of which have the potential to further enrich their experience with investing. These materials have the potential to be quite beneficial for investors who are serious about the process of developing and managing their portfolios. On the other hand, it is essential to acknowledge that investing inherently always involves risks, and there are no assurances that the investment will be successful. Before making any decisions on investments based on the recommendations contained in the study, investors should give careful consideration to their own personal risk tolerance, particular investing objectives, and current financial situation. To summarize, the Next Magnificent 7 Stocks report published by the Motley Fool provides investors with the opportunity to obtain access to high-potential investment ideas that may not be readily available in other places. With a track record of success and a commitment to educating individual investors, the Motley Fool has won the trust and respect of its readers. It is possible that many investors will find the insights and recommendations that are presented in the study to be well worth the investment, despite the fact that the price tag of $999 may appear quite costly. It is possible for investors to achieve a competitive advantage in the market and to grow wealth over the course of a longer period of time by utilizing the knowledge and tools provided by the Motley Fool. In the end, investing is a personal journey, and before making any decisions on investments, each investor needs to carefully consider the potential risks and rewards associated with their investments. A study titled Next Magnificent 7 Stocks, published by the Motley Fool, provides a compelling opportunity for individuals who are prepared to spend the resources to discover hidden gems and confidently traverse the complexities of the economic landscape. The Motley Fool takes great pride in its meticulous due diligence process, which includes an in-depth analysis of the fundamentals of the company, as well as the trends in the market, the competitive landscape, and the growth potential inside the firm. All of the Motley Fool's experts are highly experienced individuals who have knowledge and experience in a wide range of fields and industry sectors. They are able to discover businesses that have the potential for considerable growth and value creation by utilizing their understanding of the sector, their expertise in financial modeling, and their access to private data sources. Through the process of conducting in-depth analyses of the business models, management teams, revenue streams, and competitive advantages of each company, they intend to unearth hidden jewels that the general market could ignore. As an additional point of interest, the financial philosophy of the Motley Fool places an emphasis on the significance of long-term thinking and having conviction in one's investment thesis. The Next Magnificent 7 Stocks report is not a trading technique for the short term. Rather, it is a roadmap for constructing a diverse portfolio of high-quality firms that have significant potential for growth. Instead of focusing on short-term market fluctuations, subscribers are urged to approach investing with a patient and disciplined perspective, concentrating on the fundamentals of the firms in which they invest rather than the immediate swings in the market. Consideration should also be given to the continuing help and direction that subscribers of the Motley Fool receive from the team of experts affiliated with the publication. In addition to the initial stock recommendations that are included in the report, users are granted access to ongoing updates, analysis, and commentary on the stocks that are suggested, as well as broader market trends. By maintaining this continuing involvement, investors are able to remain informed and make decisions that are informed as market conditions continue to change. Furthermore, the Motley Fool's community forums offer a venue for subscribers to discuss their thoughts, inquire about topics of interest, and gain knowledge from the experiences of their fellow subscribers. The investment process is made more enjoyable for everyone engaged as a result of this sense of community, which encourages collaboration and the exchange of information. In spite of the fact that the Next Magnificent 7 Stocks report comes with a price tag of $999, which may appear to be intimidating at first look, it is crucial to take into consideration the potential return on investment throughout the long term. The insights and advice that are provided by the Motley Fool can be quite helpful for investors who are serious about accumulating money and reaching financial freedom. By adhering to the principles of sensible investment and maintaining their dedication to their long-term objectives, subscribers have the possibility to earn considerable gains and ensure a secure financial future for themselves. Share your views with us in the comments. If you're new to our channel, then do subscribe to us. Thanks for watching.